Rust guarantees memory safety at compile time. As a part of that, variables must be initialized before you can use them. Let's consider this code. It won't work because oranges has been declared but not initialized to a value before we try to use it. In fact, it won't even compile. We get the error. Use of possibly on initialized variable, oranges. What if we might initialize oranges depending on some condition? The compiler won't reason about the value of a condition at compile time even if it's a literal true or false. Conditional evaluation is handled at runtime, so the compiler can't guarantee that oranges will be initialized before it is used because the compiler doesn't know what the value of true will be at runtime. So this also won't work. But this works. The compiler now can tell that oranges is guaranteed to be initialized before it is used. As long as the compiler can guarantee something is safe, it will let you do it. Try to do the same in C. Try to use a declarative variable before initializing it and see what happens. In the next video we will discuss functions in Rust.